Okay, welcome. Let's see how we can solve this. We have to express 2x squared plus 6x minus 6 in the form a into bracket x plus or minus p all squared plus q. This is a simple quadratic expression, so we need to use completing the square formula. So the first thing, we have to write the equation as in 2x squared plus 6x minus 6. We need to eliminate the coefficient of the x squared. In doing so, we take it out and factorize. So if you multiply whatever is left, meaning you divide all these by the 2, and that will give you x squared. Divide this by the 2 will give you 3x. Then we have what? 3. We have succeeded in removing the coefficient of what? The x squared. Now it is 1. So what do? We find half the square of the x term, the coefficient of the x term. So I still have my 2. Let me use this bracket. Then I have x squared plus 3x plus half of this will be 3 over 2 all square. As we add, we subtract it again. 3 on 2 all square, then minus 3. Check and see. We are only saying that if this is the same as this, if you subtract it, you will come back to the original. It means this is not a foreign material. That is why we add and subtract as well. Now that will give you your first 3 terms to become a perfect trinomial. The 3 terms they become perfect trinomial. Therefore, I have my 2, then still into bracket x plus 3 on 2 all squared, the perfect trinomial. Simply put, if I expand this bracket, if this bracket is expanded, I'll come back to the first 3 terms. Then minus this become 3 squared, 9, 2 squared, 4, minus 3, still multiply by the 2. So here, remember that this, we can solve this also as minus 9 on 4 minus 3 on 1. Since we have 1 here, let's multiply by 4 to make our second fraction have the same denominator as the first one. So 3, 4 is 12. So minus 9 minus 12, against that will be negative 21. We have the same denominator, so we maintain that. So all the way, this become 2, let me just bring this bracket, x, then we have, okay, let's still maintain that, plus 3 on 2 all square minus our result there is what? 21 on 4, still multiply by the 2. Now we can expand this. So this become 2 multiplying x plus 3 on 2 all square. When 2 multiply here, it divide that. So 21 divided by what? 2. So if we check what we are asked to do, we are to write it in the form a, which is the 2, then x plus our p is going to be 3 on 2, then our q will be a negative 21 on 2. So this is a simple completing the square, whereby we are not interested in knowing the values of x that satisfy this. So it's not an equation, just by expression. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.